Hello and welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your Paper ID in Paper.io2 game. Your Paper ID is important for account recovery, linking progress across devices, or contacting support if needed. First of all, to get started, launch the Paper.io2 application on your smartphone and make sure that you're inside the home page. From the home screen, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. If you've signed in with your Apple ID, you will see your Paper ID displayed at the top right corner. Tap on the ID, which is a long string of numbers and characters, and this will copy the ID onto your device's clipboard. You can use this ID to recover your account, link progress across devices, or contact support for any account issues. Make sure to paste in this ID in a secure area, and that's it. Now you know how to find your Paper ID in Paper.io2, making it easier to manage your account and secure your progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.